So tab number 4 of the Mission and Cost Analysis report covers contributed revenue. So before you're going to be able to fill out this tab, you'll need to identify your sources of contributed revenue. Contributed revenue includes general contributions, annual campaign revenue, special events, United Way, and foundation grants. So once you've identified these revenues, you'll need to assign them to program centers if they are restricted. So your restricted contributions are those where the donor has placed specific instructions on how the funds can be used. So they are allocated to the program centers that their use is restricted to. For example, if a child care program receives United Way funding that was granted specifically and exclusively for child care, then it is restricted and should be allocated to child care. However, if the YMCA has discretion as to how that money is used, then it is an unrestricted contribution. So to begin, enter the amount, name, and/or number in column A. Then in column B, enter the amount in that account, right here, and then spread those dollars to the appropriate program centers, making sure that it accounts for 100%. If an entry in the column C right here is red, that means that there's a difference in the amount entered and the amount spread. So let's say that this 25,000 right here we entered as 2510. We can see that we have overdrawn from an account $10. If we change this back to 25,000, then it goes right back to 0 and we're okay. Additionally, note that the unrestricted revenues come in this column right here. Other than that, make sure that you note your tabs with your notes. A lot of these just go over or reiterate what I've already said in this video, which are helpful. Moving on, tab number 5 covers government funding. Similar to tab number 4, you'll need to identify the YMCA source of government funding and the program centers that they are assigned to. Once that is done, you can fill out the sheet. So again, enter the account name or number in column A, enter the amount in that account, and then spread those dollars. So enter amount here in B, and then spread those dollars to the appropriate programs, making sure again that you account for 100%. And the same thing goes to column C. If the amount spread is different than the amount entered, this will turn red. Again, don't forget about your helpful hints. Other than that, tabs 4 and 5 are pretty much set up the same.